Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making caramel bread pudding. For this I have taken 10 bread slices. First, removing brown part of the bread. It is not necessary, it's up to your choice. I don't want to throw it out. Collecting in a plate. Dry it in a sunlight. We'll make breadcrumbs later. Make pieces out of it. Put into blender. We'll get coarse powder like this. By using this measuring cup, I have taken 1½ cup of milk. 2 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar for caramelizing, 2 tablespoons of melted butter and little vanilla essence. Powdered bread, 100 grams of sugar. Mix well with the milk. After the sugar completely dissolved, keep aside. Taking 2 eggs, beat it nicely with spoon. In a big bowl, I am pouring the milk, then butter. My daughter helping me to make a pudding. And 2 eggs beaten. And 1 spoon of vanilla essence. Also the powder goes into it. It's very easy to make and it's delicious too. Try it in your home. Mix it nicely. Now keep it aside. Next I am gonna caramelize the sugar with 2 tablespoons of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water in a low flame. Stir it continuously, otherwise it could burn. Here the sugar begins to melt and it's look foamy. Stir continuously until it became golden color. This is the perfect color to use. Pour immediately into the pan in which we are going to make a pudding. This process should be make it fast, otherwise it will get dry. Look, mine is get dry. No worries. Slightly heat the pan to melt it again. That's it. Now spread all over the plate. Pouring the bread mixture on the top. In a idli cooker, fill it up with 1 liter of water, placing the idli plate upside down. Then place pan on top. Cover and cook it for 30 minutes. Check once in between for water level. Now my 30 minutes is over. There's some moisture on top, so I am removing with the help of tissue paper. It's completely cooked well. Allow few minutes to cool down. It can be served hot or cold. I prefer cold, so gonna refrigerate it. After 30 minutes, it cools completely. Transfer to another plate. Ready, get set, go! Wow, beautiful pudding is ready. Without oven, with less ingredients, you can make this pudding. It is very soft and very tasty. Dear friends, do try at your home. And don't forget to hit the like button. Meet you with another vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.